When you purchase a premium accessory pack or design pack, you'll find a little card in there which has a special code. In this video, I'll show you where to put this in, whether you're using the online or installed edition of Canvas Workspace. The first thing you will need to do is go to the Canvas Workspace website. That's canvasworkspace.brother.com. Then enter your username and password and click Login. If you don't already have a password, you can register for a new account from the home screen. Once you have logged into Canvas Workspace, go to your account settings. That'll be your username in the top right of the screen. And then you'll see two relevant icons. You'll see Pattern Collection and Premium Function Activation. Click on the one that's relevant and then enter the activation code where shown and click on Activate. Once you've been through that process, you'll see the activation code and the relevant kit highlighted below the activation area. When you go back to Canvas Workspace, by the logo top left, you will see all of the icons for all of the kits that you have activated. When you start a new project, you will also see a library of new designs associated with that tool or kit in your pattern library area. For example, here are the stamp designs that were unlocked when I registered the stamp starter kit. Additional tools might also be added to your collection, however I will cover these in the relevant section. First, open Canvas Workspace. If you haven't logged in recently, you may be prompted for your username and password. When Canvas Workspace has opened, head to the Help menu, top left, and then click on Account Settings. As with the online version, we have a Pattern Collection Activation and Premium Function Activation area. Select the relevant one, enter the activation code and click Activate. You'll be asked to confirm the details, and then when the kit has been registered, you will see the details here also. There are no added icons in the installed version, however you will see additional tools appear in the workspace. For example, on the right I have the rhinestone tools. I also have on the left the rhinestone patterns and also a rhinestone placement tool. They all opened up after I had activated the rhinestone kit. And there are further kits here and further designs available that get unlocked with each kit that you add. And that's all it takes to register a new kit or a new pattern collection.